Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Marina here and I am going to share with you this fantastic mini album that I made using the new collection Whispering Woods by Stamperia. I have made a full-length tutorial for this pretty mini album plus a PDF cutting guide which you can find on my coffee shop. The tutorial is in centimeters, but as always I have included inches as well. The link is below in the description area. Also, you will be able to find the Whispering Woods collection, the junk journal book and the die cuts I used at Viola Craft, linked below. So here we have this beautiful mini album that measures 17 by 23 centimeters with a 4.5 centimeters spine. On the cover I used a gold cardstock to highlight the autumn patterns. The album has two signatures. On the front inside cover there is this strip which is magnetized, and I simply added a thick die cut which I think it gives an extra interest. A really cute waterfall, and actually these patterns are ready to cut out from the 8x8 paper pad. Here is a pocket. These cards are from the pack of cards selection and you can use them as a gift card or add a picture on the back of them. On the front of the first page there is an angled pocket. This cute little heart is a die cut and this sentiment is a cutout from the junk journal book, which has a lot of pieces and stickers as well. Over here is another card from the card selection. It is an absolutely perfect booklet to add some pictures. I have used ivory cardstock to represent the place for the picture, which is 10 by 15 centimeters, and I added some stenciling and stamping for an extra touch. This is place for 10 by 15 picture, and over here a smaller one about 10 by 13 centimeters. Over here there is a belly band. These two signatures have an insert in where actually I didn't add something just because I forgot it. So over here we have beautiful places to add your pictures. I think this collection is a very cute collection, and although I don't even like the autumn, this inspired me a lot to make this mini album. Over here we have a pocket, and this opens like so, and you can journal here or stick a small photo. I really love this secret place. Here we have two flaps, and then over here place to add a 10 by 15 picture. Here we have two pockets to store pictures, tags, journaling notes or whatever you like. On the back inside cover we have these two flaps open in this way. And here we have a pocket that holds these photo mats. So beautiful. And actually the booklet and these two photo mats are cutouts from a page included in the junk journal book. Like this. I just cut these two in half, and the other one I folded in half. Of course, you can cover the grass on the top if you don't like, but I had no problem at all. Here is room for a picture. This is my favorite pattern. I really love this little girl. Hopefully you can see how beautiful collection this is, guys. I think if you love autumn, this is a nice choice. So, if you are interested on the video class tutorial, check out the links below and happy crafting! See you next time, bye!